Hey everyone, in today's video we are going to be downloading our next app. So we already have Pillow Profits installed, we have Printech installed, and we have ShineOn installed. Today we're going to be doing WC Fulfilment. So I'm going to put the link right below this video so you can just click that and download this app right away. So I'm just going to download this. I'm going to log in here. And we're going to wait for this to populate onto our Shopify store. Hit install app. We're going to go up to our settings, and we want to make sure that we add a payment method. So go to payment methods, go to settings up here, go to payment methods, go to credit card, and add in your credit card information. Now you can remove the hold time if you want them to auto fulfill right away, or you can leave this. So 24 to 36 hours, which is awesome. So they wait 3 days to fulfill your product, so you can change this to whatever you want. More than 3 days. That way it gives your customer a little bit of time to, if they want to make changes to their order or anything like that. And then, of course, you can edit all these settings. So I'm going to add in my credit card information. I'm going to keep everything just like this. I'm going to keep the hold time, the fulfillment time. I'm going to keep everything like that default, and I will see you in the next video.